Billions of years ago, a cosmic dance of unimaginable scale unfolded, shaping the very galaxy we call home. New evidence from the Hubble Space Telescope reveals our Milky Way wasn't born in solitude, but through a violent, ancient collision with a dwarf galaxy we now call LKH. This cataclysmic event, occurring 11.8 billion years ago, was a foundational moment, scattering the bricks that would eventually build our stellar island. This monumental merger predates even the well-known collision with the Gaia-Sausage Enceladus galaxy, painting a picture of a young, chaotic universe where galactic cannibalism was key to growth. Scientists, using the high-resolution power of Hubble and the detailed data from ESA's Gaia mission, meticulously pieced together this ancient history by analyzing globular star clusters. These stellar fossils reveal how LKH, though smaller, contributed a significant chunk of mass, influencing our galaxy's evolution and igniting bursts of star formation. From the colossal scales of galactic evolution, we shift to humanity's persistent stride into the cosmos. A historic moment unfolded high above Earth, as ESA astronaut Sophie Audénot became the first French woman to conduct a spacewalk, performing critical antenna repairs outside the International Space Station. Alongside NASA astronaut Anil Menon, she ensured vital communication links remained strong, a testament to international collaboration and human resilience in the vacuum of space. Meanwhile, on the desolate, rust-colored plains of Mars, another incredible saga of exploration continues. NASA's Curiosity rover recently celebrated its 14th landing anniversary, an astonishing feat of engineering and endurance. For over a decade, this tireless explorer has been meticulously climbing Mount Sharp, a towering geological record book, searching for clues to Mars' ancient past. With every turn of its wheels and every precise measurement, Curiosity peels back layers of time, revealing a world once shaped by both wind and water. Its instruments, like the APXS and ChemCam, meticulously analyze rock formations, seeking out cross-bedding and unique mineral compositions. These intricate patterns in the Martian bedrock are silent witnesses to ancient rivers, lakes, and powerful winds that once swept across the red planet, offering tantalizing hints of conditions suitable for life billions of years ago. And silently, tirelessly, for all 14 years, the R80 instrument aboard Curiosity has been monitoring the radiation environment of Mars. It's a constant, vital vigil, providing crucial data for the future human missions that will one day follow in Curiosity's tracks. This unseen guardian reminds us of the profound challenges and meticulous preparations required to eventually send humans to the Martian surface. From understanding our galaxy's violent origins to exploring the potential for life on Mars, the journey of discovery is relentless. Behind every launch, every mission, and every incredible finding lies a complex infrastructure. NASA's recent selection of new companies for payload processing services underscores the continuous, behind-the-scenes work ensuring that the next generation of spacecraft and scientific instruments are ready to embark on their own cosmic voyages. From billions of years past to the very edge of tomorrow, humanity's insatiable curiosity drives us to unravel the universe's grandest stories. Whether it's the ancient echoes of galactic collisions or the silent whispers of water on Mars, each discovery adds a new chapter to our understanding of existence. The cosmos beckons, and we, the inhabitants of this pale blue, are listening, watching, and reaching ever further into its boundless mysteries.